Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is the 15-inch M3 2024 and the chip is M3 and you can see the RAM is 8 gigabyte and the storage is 512 gigabyte. This is the battery information. You can the battery cycle count 23 and battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics. You can see the graphics 10 cores and this is CPU 8 cores, 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. This is the starlight color. You can see beautiful color and you can see the keyboard slightly oily sheen. Okay, not heavy. And let me show you the logo surface. You can see the shining logo, no problem the logo, and only the fingerprint. Okay, no problem. And you can see the surface. Okay, a little scratch here, a little scratch. Okay, this is M3 8 gigabyte 512, and let me show you the back. Okay, you can see the back. Okay, the back, no problem. Okay, let me show you the Let me show you the. Now you can see the port. You can see the port. Okay, the port, no problem, no scratches. There you can see. And let me show you the other edge. This edge, you can see. No problem. And the headphone jack, no problem. And you can see this side. Also, no problem. And let me show you the 15-inch display. Now I change the wallpaper. I change the wallpaper. Now you can see. I change the gray color. Now you can see the screen. No problem. No bright spot. No dark spots. Okay. Beautiful screen. Okay. Let me show you another color. A dark gray. And you can see. No problem. The screen. No problem. And let me show you another color, the red color. Okay, the red color also no problem. If you like this model, you can leave me a comment below. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, this is a beautiful 2024 15-inch MacBook Air M3 chip and 8 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte. Okay, see you in the next video.